Life is short, but many of us live as if we have an infinite amount of time. The truth is stark. The average human life lasts around 30,000 days. Imagine this. If you're 30 years old, you've already spent 11,000 of those days. They're gone, never to return. We often say, "I'll do it someday." But someday is a dangerous word. It deceives us into believing we have all the time in the world. This script will explore powerful strategies to ensure every moment counts, transcending mere time management to embrace a truly fulfilling life. Time perception and psychology. Time often feels like it moves faster as we age. Remember being a child when summers seemed endless? Now, years seem to fly by. This phenomenon is known as the time unit paradox. It's not just your imagination, it's how your brain processes experiences. When you're young, everything is new, and your brain records these experiences in detail, making time feel slower. As an adult, routines dominate, causing days to blur together as the brain stops recording repetitive activities. But there's hope. To counteract time blindness, introduce variety into your life. Take new routes to work, learn new skills, and meet new people. These experiences force your brain to pay attention, making time feel expansive once more. Priority management. Busy doesn't always mean productive. It's crucial to differentiate tasks that matter from those that merely fill time. Apply the Deathbed test. Envision yourself at 90, reflecting on life. Would you value the extra hour spent at work over time with loved ones? This perspective clarifies priorities, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. The two-list strategy is transformative. Write down everything you want to achieve. Circle the top 3. Everything else goes on an avoid list. This prioritization ensures your energy is directed towards significant goals. Relationship dynamics. Relationships are like bank accounts. Each interaction is a deposit or withdrawal. Small daily deposits such as compliments or thoughtful gestures accumulate over time, fostering strong bonds. Avoid focusing solely on grand gestures. The small, consistent acts are what build lasting connections. Shared challenges strengthen relationships more than shared pleasures. Experiencing hardships together creates deeper connections, revealing the true depth of a relationship. Career and purpose. Career growth often lies just outside your comfort zone, in the adjacent possible. Moving beyond familiar roles unlocks new opportunities and skills. Prioritize learning over earning in the early stages of your career. Each new skill is a potential gateway to future success. Modern careers resemble jungle gyms more than ladders. Lateral moves can lead to unique skill combinations, making you invaluable in your field. Health and vitality. Health is a force multiplier in life. It amplifies your capacity to achieve and enjoy other pursuits. Prioritize sleep as it rejuvenates the brain, enhancing decision-making and productivity. Micro-workouts throughout the day maintain physical and mental clarity. Small movements like stretching or brief walks significantly impact overall health. Learning and growth. Teaching accelerates learning. Explaining concepts to others deepens your understanding. Embrace this challenge to enhance your grasp of new skills. Biographies offer condensed life lessons. Reading about others' successes and failures provides valuable insights, helping you avoid common pitfalls. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, particularly emotional regulation, is crucial for personal and professional success. Emotions like anger or frustration last only 90 seconds in the body. Beyond that, continuing to feel them is a choice. Strategically revealing vulnerability fosters trust and deeper connections, balancing professional competency with human empathy. Financial wisdom. Financial freedom is about time, not just money. Avoid lifestyle inflation, where increased income leads to increased expenses. Instead, invest in experiences that grow in value over time. Creative living. Creativity thrives under constraints. Limited options spur innovation, forcing unique solutions and fresh ideas. Personal energy. Managing energy is more critical than managing time. Focus on activities that energize you and eliminate those that drain your vitality. Social capital. Genuine relationships require time, vulnerability, and shared experiences. Regularly invest in friendships through small, meaningful actions. Mental models. Embrace mental models to simplify complex decisions. Use second-order thinking to anticipate long-term outcomes, refining your decision-making process. Life design. Life design is about small, iterative experiments. Test and refine your approach to living, focusing on personal metrics of success rather than societal standards. Conclusion. Time will pass regardless of how you use it. By applying these principles from mastering time perception to building meaningful relationships, you can craft a life that truly counts. Start today, making each moment purposeful and profound. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Share this video to help others smarter.